Schneider Electric's complete radar level control offering has the right solution for you. Work with Meet O'Brien today to help you select one of Schneider Electric's easy-to-use radar level instruments. Accurate 10, 24, and 80 GHz models are all available now to provide peace of mind for your level application. Let's take a brief look at solving challenging solids level applications with Schneider Electric's LR64 and LR65 radar level controls. Why select either model for your application? Perhaps you have a new vessel? A desire to upgrade or supplement existing ultrasonics? Or for safety and reliability purposes, you want to keep personnel from climbing the tank to check level with the mechanical device. Both LR64 and LR65 use the powerful Frequency Modulated Continuous Wave, or FMCW radar technology. Advanced signal processing and algorithms maintain accuracy despite dusty environments. A rugged design allows both models to be used in applications featuring product buildup, sloping material, uneven surfaces, rat holes, and other challenges. The LR64, 24 GHz beam angle is ideal to sample a larger section of material. The drop antenna is unique. It features a closed shape with a non-stick surface made of polypropylene, or PTFE. No buildup on the antenna surface eliminates the need for an air purge and extensive cleaning required by other antennas. The LR64 is ideal for installations featuring heavy buildup potential and large angles of repose. Suggested applications include larger solids materials, such as granulates or rocks, buffer silos, coal, coffee beans, coke, grain storage, fertilizers, rock crushers, wood chips, and others. The 80 GHz LR65 features a narrow beam angle which works well in low reflective media. The small beam angle eliminates false echoes, is ideal for measuring small particles, allows measurement down into the cone area of tall vessels, and ensures a strong reflection, even off of materials with very low dielectric constants. The LR65 is ideal for installations containing powders and dust, high and narrow silos and nozzles, and internal obstructions. Suggested applications include bulk storage containers, cement, coffee powder, dry bulk solids, filler, flour, fly ash, gypsum, hot asphalt mix, iron ore, lime, milk powder, plastic pellets, plastic powder, polypropylene pellets, salt, sawdust, silica, sugar crystals, talc, and more. Customize your installation with accessories. Work with Meet O'Brien to see if an aiming kit, low-pressure flange, or a purge kit is necessary. If you would like more information, please contact Meet O'Brien by calling 800-892-2769 or visit their website at www.meetobrien.com. Thank you for your time.